Hello friends, hope you all are well. Everything is fine with you. We are also fine over here. So this video is about tea processing factory which I visited very recently, which is located in Ooty. So everywhere inside India, mainly the tea processing is done or tea plantations are there only in hill stations. So this tea processing factory is in Ooty. So as I visited Ooty very recently, so here we went to the tea factory and there they were trying to describe us very nicely how the tea is being processed. So there are mainly 6 steps for tea processing. The first step is growing of the tea. So tea plantations, they need a certain amount of temperature to be grown, which is only possible in hill stations because there is a cold climate. The temperature is very low over here. So after the tea leaves are being plucked, they are being brought to the factories and there they start processing it. The second step is withering of the leaves. Withering of leaves is nothing but decreasing the moisture amount. Unless they are decreasing the moisture amount, they cannot make it flexible enough to crush it or to process it for the next procedure. So after withering is done, the moisture is being decreased or reduced to 30% so that it can be crushed very easily. After the moisture is decreased, then they are taking it for bruising. Bruising is nothing but crushing of the leaves. How we get cut marks in our skin and all, same way they are making it very nicely crushed so that it can be further processed. So after the bruising is done, the next step is oxidizing. Oxidizing is nothing but how when you are cutting an apple or a potato, that time it mixes with the oxygen in the atmosphere and it gets oxidized. It starts changing its color. Same way the leaf starts changing its color by turning into blackish brown. So then the leaves, after a certain period of time, they just stop the oxidation procedure. After the oxidation procedure is done, then they are further progressing towards the next procedure, which is called as fixing. Fixing is nothing but stopping the oxidation. After the oxidation is stopped, so it is heated, like it is baked. So once it is heated, then again it needs to be cooled down. So last point is cooling down is nothing but drying of the leaves. So it is properly dried. The leaves are zero moisture. So then it can be packed and it comes to us so that we can have a nice tea in morning or evening. So tea lovers, I hope you will enjoy this video of mine which I have tried to make you understand how the tea is being processed in 6 procedures. And we visited this in Ooty where they have explained us very nicely. Here you can see this one is the last procedure they are trying to finish it so that the tea powders are being made and then they will be packing them. So in that tea factory museum, they have displayed all these origins of tea in India. If you are visiting Ooty and you are visiting this tea factory, you can go through all this. And I have tried to capture some snaps. And please do subscribe my channel if you are liking my videos for further updates. Thank you for watching my video.